Okay, so today we are going to walk through a recipe that I'm telling you might just become your new weekend go-to. It's the honey vanilla brioche brunch bake, and it is the absolute perfect mix of looking super impressive while being unbelievably easy to make.
You know that feeling, right? It's Saturday morning, you want to make something really special for your family or friends, but you don't want to spend your entire morning chained to the stove. You're on the hunt for that one perfect dish.
Exactly. You need something that tastes incredible, something you can prep the night before so your morning is totally chill, and this is the big one, something you just know everyone is going to devour.
And this right here is why this brioche bake is such a home run. I mean, look at this. First off, it's make-ahead friendly, which is a total game changer for a relaxed morning. Then you get this incredible texture, a super soft custardy center with a golden, slightly crispy top. It's all naturally sweetened with honey, not a ton of sugar, and if you've got a crowd coming over, no problem. It's so easy to double the recipe. It literally checks every single box.
So, let's talk about what you'll need to pull this off. And don't worry, the ingredient list is beautifully simple. You probably have most of this stuff in your kitchen right now.
Here we are. For the bake itself, you need a loaf of brioche or even a good French bread, all cubed up. Then it's 6 large eggs, some milk, pure honey, melted butter, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and just a little pinch of salt. Those fresh berries are technically optional, but wow, they really add a great pop of color and freshness. And for that amazing topping, it's just a bit more honey, some butter, and a dash of cinnamon. That's it, and this whole recipe will easily serve about 6 to 8 people.
All right, let's get to the fun part, putting it all together. You're going to love how this comes together in just 3 super simple steps.
So first up is the foundation. Just grease your baking dish, toss in your bread cubes, and spread them out. Next, in a separate bowl, you'll whisk up that gorgeous custard. Just imagine it. The eggs, milk, the warmth from the cinnamon and vanilla, all sweetened with that lovely honey. Then you just pour that liquid gold all over the bread. Give it a gentle press down to make sure every single piece gets to soak up all that goodness.
Now listen up, because this right here is the absolute key. This is the secret to your stress-free brunch morning. You cover it and pop it in the fridge overnight. Not only does this mean all the prep is done ahead of time, but it lets the bread completely absorb that custard. Trust me, it develops a much deeper, richer flavor and gives you that perfect soft center we were talking about.
Okay, so when you're ready to bake, whether that's first thing in the morning or right after you prep it, you're going to want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 Celsius.
And now for the magic. You're going to bake it uncovered for about 35 to 45 minutes. Your whole house is going to smell absolutely incredible. And while that's in the oven, you can quickly whip up that honey drizzle on the stovetop. Then comes the best part. As soon as that golden puffy bake comes out of the oven, you drizzle that warm, spiced honey butter all over the top. It's just spectacular.
Okay, this recipe is already fantastic just as it is, but this is where you can really have some fun with it. It's time to add your own personal touch and make it extra special.
There are so many ways you could go here. You could toss in some chopped pecans or walnuts to get a nice little crunch in there. Or hey, if you want something really decadent, stir in some mini chocolate chips. Oh, and swapping the cinnamon for some orange zest, that would add such a bright, fresh flavor. And what about using hot honey for the drizzle? That sweet and spicy kick sounds amazing.
So we've built it, we've baked it, we've thought about all the fun ways to customize it, and now it's time for the delicious finale, serving this beauty up.
Honestly, this dish is a total showstopper all on its own, but you can definitely take it up another notch. A big handful of fresh berries is perfect for cutting through the richness. A dollop of tangy Greek yogurt gives it a nice creamy contrast. And let's be real, having a little pitcher of extra warm honey on the side is never ever a bad idea. Or you could go all out and make this the star of a huge brunch spread with scrambled eggs and bacon. It works with everything.
So there you have it. A simple, elegant, and totally delicious brunch solution that actually lets you relax and enjoy your weekend. The only real question left is, with all these amazing ways to switch it up and serve it, how are you going to make it yours?